Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. So an island breeze to me is when you are on vacation, usually a tropical place, you have that really nice warm wind that comes in and you can see the palm leaves like rustling in the wind. You see the waves of the ocean coming in. Nothing too much, just the perfect amount. And so I wanted to tap into the ocean part of that and create this makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Today I'm starting off with the lips. So I'm taking my Kiko Milano Creamy Comfort Lip Liner in shade 303, which is this color right here, and just lining my lips. Then I'm taking my Kiko Milano's sheer lipstick in the shade 214 Glossy Dream. That looks like this. And then we can start on the eyes. So I'm taking my Catrice Kohl Kajal waterproof eyeliner in the shade 020 Tweed White. That just looks like this. And I would draw kind of like wave lines with this, if that makes sense. And so the next color I want to go in with is the Technic, that's all it says, but this blue color right here. And for this I'm taking a flat brush like this one, and I just want to fill all of this. It doesn't matter if you don't get it all the way in, just because into the white line, just because of what color I will put extra. Then I want to go in with the next color, and this is the Makeup Revolution Constellation, and I will go in with Night Sky, which is this one. And for this, I want to put a little bit in the outer corner of my lower lashes, but I want to trace the white line on the inside. So I'm taking a small detail brush like this one. It's just a Peters brush from a dollar store. Then I'm taking my Essence Eyeblender brush and just blending this out a little bit. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Lashes Mascara that looks like this. And it has a different lid just because I don't like the brush that comes with it. And the mascara was a gift, so I just switched the lids and the brush. Then I would just take an eyeliner pencil, doesn't matter which one, this doesn't have a name, but it looks like this. And I want to apply that to the outer upper waterline. Then I will finish it off with Makeup Revolution Base Fix and set my face. And here you have the finished look. I absolutely love this. This is a fun and creative summer makeup, and it's just perfect. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!